Want to replace your freezer's door handle? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new door handle, a flathead screwdriver, and a screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the old door handle. First, remove the screw covers from the door handle. After doing so, you can remove the old door handle by unscrewing the screws. Step 2. Place the new door handle. Place the new door handle where the old door handle was and tighten the screws. Then reinstall the screw covers. You have replaced the door handle and the freezer is ready to use again.